Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm Jack.
And my name is Susan.
Okay, we are from Royal Kiddy, London. So, seperti biasa,
We would like to introduce one of our products
from Royal Kiddy, London.
Yeah.
So
for today, we would like to introduce
one of our best stroller.
one of our best stroller.
Yeah. Apakah nama stroller ni? Okay. So, stroller ni diberi nama
2-in-1
Duplex Plus
Duplex Plus
Double Facing Compact Stroller.
Double Facing Compact Stroller. Why name is 2-in-1?
Okay, jadi kita dah nak cakap dah kenapa nama dia 2-in-1. Why is 2-in-1?
Yeah.
So, 2-in-1, this stroller adalah datang sekali dengan infant carrier.
It can come together
Yes.
with the infant carrier. That's why it's 2-in-1.
Yeah. So, stroller ni, kalau tengok dia punya stroller ni memang nampak tak? Dia punya
Smooth.
smooth.
Just smooth. The
Dia
tire
punya
very smooth.
Frame yang sangat seksi lah boleh cakap.
Very sexy.
Yeah.
It looks really expensive
Really,
actually.
nampak macam mewah, nampak
Yeah.
eksklusif.
Here in corner. Dah.
Yeah, so nampak tak stiker ni? Ini Duplex Plus. Yeah. Okay. So, untuk this stroller boleh pakai dari
Oh yeah, this
Can
roller
use
can be used from
newborn
Newborn.
up to 25 kilogram.
25.
Double facing.
Oh yeah.
So
Because it's this key.
okay, this stroller yang special lagi satu, dia boleh double facing.
It can be
Yeah,
double
so
facing
this is a
too.
front facing.
Yeah.
So, biasanya kan, ibu-ibu dia nak cari stroller, parents outside nak cari stroller yang rear facing.
Yeah, most
So,
of parents like their kids facing them.
this one, just press this button like this,
If
and
you
then
want, okay, maybe
just tukar saja facing tu kepada yang
just
ni.
easy.
Yes,
Just
very
need to
very easy.
Take it out and turn it around.
So this reclination
You
also
can-
is
Yeah.
adjustable. So bila you just
It
tekan
can be
button ni,
adjust.
you just tunggu sampai dia lock. Dia akan lock. So dia akan jadi macam ni sikit.
Turn out the
Ya.
click sound.
So yang ni yang paling tegak lah. So untuk yang toddler yang macam nak duduk atau sandar kan. So this one yang paling tegak.
Okay.
So next.
Next, yeah, as I can see, this what we call this
Canopy.
got zip. So
Yeah.
what the function of this zip?
Ya, kenapa? Ada zip. So
Yeah.
perasan tak kalau buat flat macam ni terdedah lah.
Yeah.
Yes, tu terlampau expose kan untuk infant.
Expose, yes.
So then this canopy is extendable.
So, extended canopy.
Ya, so boleh jadi macam ni. So lagi tertutup lah sikit.
More covered lah.
Ya, mungkin macam pakai di luar. Maybe you use this stroller outside.
out
So
there.
maybe you can, this canopy can be like a sunshade lah. So boleh elakkan daripada kena matahari. And then dia punya handle is adjustable, right Susan?
Yeah.
And then saya tidak lupa juga.
Yes, the footrest can be adjust also.
Yeah, footrest ni boleh adjust. Nak buat flat macam ni pun boleh. Kalau boleh boleh datang more close lah. Saya tunjuk macam mana. Just tekan button ni. So boleh jadi macam ni. Mungkin yang kaki-kaki anak-anak dah terlebih kan. Dah terlebih. So you can change like this.
Yeah, as you can see, it's got it big.
Very large.
Yeah, very large, big compartment.
Ya, so nampak tak bahagian storage bawah stroller ni sangat-sangatlah besar. So boleh isi macam-macam, boleh letak bag, boleh letak diapers bag ke, boleh letak botol susu, boleh letak barang-barang peralatan yang kita biasanya bawa kan.
Before that, you can show the way to close.
How to fold.
How to close this stroller.
Okay, first just buat macam ni. And then ada perasan button kat sini. Tekan je button ni macam ni and then tarik. Very very easy untuk fold. So dia boleh jadi compact macam ni. Jarang tau kalau big stroller ni compact. Dalam compact, nampak? Ringan, nak pegang pun senang macam ni je pegang.
Okay, let me try. Since you are mean.
You try, Susan.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not really heavy, not really light.
How to unfold this stroller?
Unfold,
Okay.
sorry, unfold.
You just pegang handle ni and then tarik je. Easy
so
peasy.
easy peasy.
Yeah.
Okay. Some of parents are afraid this stroller will move by itself. How to lock this?
Yeah, so this stroller also come with an integrated braking system. You just tekan macam ni. Yes, it's already locked. So, tengok. I push this stroller like this. So, tak bergerak langsung. Yes, cannot move. And then this frame also sturdy frame.
Very sturdy, the frame.
Okay. Untuk stroller ni, dia datang dengan dua color. So this is
So the first color is
a black. Yeah.
black color.
Black
and the
color.
other color is
Yeah. So this
Grey
grey color.
color.
Yes. So ada dua color
Got
untuk
two
stroller
colours.
ni. Ada black and dark grey jeans. Dia punya fabric ni tengok. Kalau boleh tengok fabric dia memang sangat eksklusif.
okay.
Okay. So
Maybe
function seterusnya untuk this stroller.
what is it?
This stroller also can be a jogger mode. Macam mana nak buat jogger mode?
What is jogger mode?
So, you just tayar depan ni, you just lock like this. Pusing and then lock. So it's already locked. So boleh jadi jogger mode macam
mode
ni.
is meaning that
So mana-mana parents yang macam nak bersenam ke apa ke dekat taman. So nampak dah lock. Tak ada maneuver lagi gerak. So
yeah, true. This stroller comes together with
kita tak free gift. Yes. Ada dua accessories untuk free gift lah.
Two accessories.
Two accessory free gifts. So we have a rain cover and footrest cover. So I will show you what is the rain.
Wow.
Okay, so this is a footrest cover. So apa function footrest cover? So just buat macam ni. Maknanya boleh cover bahagian kaki.
Yeah,
baby.
footrest cover. But it can be like a blanket.
Yeah, betul tu. Macam apa function footrest cover ni? Kita kat Malaysia je pun, bukannya dekat luar negara. So sometimes maybe untuk newborn ni, perasan tak kita pakai macam sweater tu untuk bagi dia rasa keep warm lah. So samalah function macam footrest cover ni macam masuk dalam mall. Pakai sweater pun boleh tentu ni. So kita bagi lagi footrest cover ni untuk
feel more warmer.
Yeah. So another one is rain cover. Okay, so this is a rain cover. Okay, next.
So we move out to baby carrier.
So 2-in-1 datang sekali.
Yeah, it comes together. With
Kenapa?
one price.
Yeah, with only one price. So kenapa this stroller sangat-sangat berbaloi? Okay. Datang sekali dengan carrier.
Yeah, because this carrier also is three function.
Yeah,
Three
so
or three function.
this carrier can be bukan sahaja boleh jadi carrier.
Yeah.
Boleh
But
jadi
also
stroller, boleh attach dengan stroller. So macam mana? So kita akan juga provide this adapter.
Adapter is also free.
Yeah.
Because it comes together. Okay.
So
Some of parents how to know how to put
macam
this
mana how to put this adapter. So
Don't
kat sini
worry, there are remark there. Right.
so this is a R for right. So you just put the right place.
Yeah.
So like this. And then bila dah pakai adapter, after you put the adapter, you just attach this carrier to the stroller.
Yeah.
So boleh jadi mode yang macam ni.
Okay, this baby carrier is only can be facing parents.
Oh. So untuk rear facing ni boleh pakai rear untuk this mode boleh pakai rear facing sahaja.
This baby carrier also can turn to cradle mode.
Yeah,
You know
so
what is cradle? Cradle is
macam tadi kita dah cakap kan, carrier ni boleh jadi kasih, boleh jadi stroller. So function as carrier, Okay. This stroller, this carrier also can make it cradle like this.
Cradle mode.
So macam mana kalau nak stop cradle ni, just put the all macam ni sampai dia lock. Dah tak ada goyang-goyang dah. Okay.
So that's all for today. We will meet you again next time.
For next time, so
for
maybe
another product,
another
promotion.
Another promotion.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you. Bye.
Bye.